Cooking at home has changed a lot in recent years. People want meals that are fast, tasty, and healthier for the whole family. That's exactly why air fryers have become so popular. They give you the crispy texture of fried food, but use far less oil, making everyday meals lighter and easier on your body. From golden fries and juicy chicken to roasted veggies and even desserts, a good air fryer can handle it all. But not every air fryer performs the same. Some cook faster, some hold more food, and others offer smart features that make cooking simple even for beginners. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen or buying your first air fryer, this list will help you choose the right one. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers that deliver great results, smart design, and strong value for your money. Let's get started. Number 1. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori TurboBlaze stands out with its powerful cooking performance. It uses innovative TurboBlaze technology with a high-speed fan reaching up to 3,600 revolutions per minute and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That means your food comes out crispy outside and juicy inside. Its 5-speed fan system and precise temperature control from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit help cook food evenly. Whether you're making fries, chicken, or veggies, every bite has a great texture. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant, making cleanup easy. The 6-quart square basket is roomy enough for family meals, but still saves counter space. Another big plus is how quiet it runs, under 53 decibels even at high speed. And with up to 95% less oil compared to deep frying, you can enjoy your favorite foods with less guilt. If you want power, space, and quiet operation, this is a top-tier choice. Number 2. Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer. Ninja is a trusted name in kitchen appliances, and this 5-quart air fryer proves why. It uses air crisp technology, circulating 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air around your food for hot and crispy results with little to no oil. It can hold up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it great for families. This model offers 4-in-1 functionality: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. That gives you flexibility for many recipes. It can reduce fat by up to 75% compared to traditional frying. It also cooks frozen foods quickly, turning them crispy in minutes. The space-saving design fits nicely on your countertop, and the non-stick basket makes cleaning simple. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use air fryer, Ninja is a solid pick. Number 3. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer. This one is more than an air fryer. It's a multi-cooker and toaster oven combo. With a huge 26-quart capacity, it's ideal for families or gatherings. You can rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza. That's serious cooking power. The dual-speed fan uses 360 degrees superheated air to crisp food evenly. Toasting is also precise thanks to the auto shutoff timer that prevents burning. Its stainless steel exterior looks stylish in any kitchen. The French doors open smoothly, and the interior light helps you check food while it cooks. If you want a large, versatile appliance that can replace several kitchen tools, this is a great option. Number 4. Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer. The Bella 4-quart air fryer is perfect for smaller kitchens. Its slim design saves up to 50% more space compared to older models. It features an Evergood ceramic non-stick coating made without harmful chemicals, giving you healthier cooking and easy cleanup. The XL basket fits up to 3.3 pounds of food, enough for family portions. Digital controls and 6 presets, air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, make cooking simple. With 1,300 watts of power and circular heat technology, food cooks fast and evenly. The modern design with a matte finish and subtle fluting adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. If you want something compact, safe, and stylish, Bella is a smart choice. Number 5. Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 Air Fryer. This large capacity air fryer is built for big meals. It offers 6-in-1 cooking: air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, roast, and reheat. The rotisserie function is great for crispy chicken with less fat. The wide temperature range from 95 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives flexibility, and the high fry feature boosts heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit at the end for extra crispiness. With 12 presets and a touch control screen, it's easy for anyone to use. Interior lights and a large viewing window let you monitor cooking without opening the door. If you cook for groups or love variety, this one delivers. Recommendation. So which air fryer should you choose? Best overall power, Cosori TurboBlaze. Best reliable choice, Ninja 5-quart. Best for large families, 26-quart air fryer oven. Best for small kitchens, Bella 4-quart. Best for versatility, 12-quart 6-in-1 oven. Think about your space, family size, and cooking style before choosing. Air fryers make cooking easier, faster, and healthier. Whether you're preparing snacks, dinners, or party meals, the right air fryer can change how you cook at home. If this list helped you, take your time comparing features and pick the one that fits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your crispy, delicious meals at home.